It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So how have you guys been? I hope everything is going well with you guys. Lately I haven't felt like recording anything, so I don't know if it's the seasonal depression. You know, I hate when summer ends and fall begins, because then it means it's getting cold and the day's a lot shorter. So I don't know, I haven't felt like doing anything, so I just been on my chill mood. But I have our IPSY BoxyCharm box here for September. So I wanted to get around it and show you guys this, because I don't know, I just gotta get out my funk and get back into the swing of things. But anywho, this is our box for September. This is a monthly subscription. It comes with 5 full-size products, beauty, skincare, makeup tools. It could be any of those items in the box every month. You do get to select one item for your box, and the box costs $30 plus $1.99 shipping and handling plus tax based on where you live at. So without any further delay, let's check out what was in my September box for our IPSY BoxyCharm. So we do have our little newspaper here with some information about some of the items in our box, as well as highlighting some of the favorite ones and some information about, you know, IPSY BoxyCharm on the back about different little things on here. So we're not going to really get into that. This month's theme, it says enter your soft girl era. So let's go ahead and check out what's in my box here. So the first item I have for you guys is a Dominique cosmetic product. So this is the brow frame pencil, and this is valued at $26. So the information that they gave us, they said basically this is like a game changer. It says it revolutionizes the brow game. So I have color deep brown, which is great because it's not black, but you know, the deep brown, you can kind of make it darker. And this is, I like how the funky little tip they have on here. This is so unique. You don't really see this, but the way it's shaped is so, it's kind of slanted. So you can do your brows, which I think is really cool. So they said with this unique design, it effortlessly carves out the perfect shape. It fills in sparse brows. It combs the hair and allows you to sharpen the pencil tip for a precise hair-like strokes, which I think is great. It says this product is long wearing, which is a definite plus. It's smudge proof and it's water resistant, which is great. Now this says you can sharpen it, but I'm sitting here thinking to myself, well, how? Because the way it comes out, it goes straight up on a slant. So I don't know how you can sharpen it. It says you can sharpen it though, but it says it's like a 4-in-1 pencil is what's on the box. So I can't wait to use this. I did do a little sample, which I'm showing you guys on the screen. So I think it came out really great. It did feel pretty like nice to use. The color built up really well, and I like that. So yeah, this is our brow frame pencil by Dominique Cosmetics. This is valued at $26. I'm sorry, 26 bucks. So let's go on to the next item in my box. So the next item I have, this is Defiance Beauty, and we have a liquid lipstick, and this is valued at $25, and the color that I have is called Divinity. So let's just pull it out of here so I can show it to you guys. So guys, this is our beautiful color here. It says creamy rosy mauve lips can be yours. With this lipstick, it's a lightweight formula, and it has mega moisturizing to it, and it also feels comfy on your lips, and it gives off a gorgeous wash of luminous color. This item was valued at $25. I just love this color. This looks so pretty. I did a swatch of it. It looked really, really pretty. I like this. I can't kind of wait to rock that one. So again, this is Defiance Beauty. This is their lip color here. So I like that. That's cool. So let's go to our next item in our box here. So we got 2 done. The next one we got is an Il Makiage product. I like that brand. So we have the Mineral Baked Blush, and I've never used the blush. I have their concealer. I have used that, and I did like the concealer. I tried the foundation before, but that didn't really work out too well with the color choice that I selected based off of their little quiz they give you online. I didn't like the color, so I just sent that back, but I did like the actual concealer, so I kept that one. So we have the blush by Il Makiage. This is their mineral blush. It's in the color Vogue, and this is valued at $36. Let's pop it out of here and show you guys what it looks like. And it says you can lighten up your cheeks with this mineral blush, baked blush, and this is how it looks outside. I like the package, a nice little like dome look that it has here, and it says it has rich pigments and pearls to leave your skin with a rosy pink flush of color that lasts for hours. And I do love that you have products that they're putting in the box that wear longer, because we're out all day, and the worst thing is you put blush on and then the oils on your skin absorb it and you have no more blush on by the end of the day. So I do like the long wear products for sure. So yeah, I can't wait to try this one out. I thought this one went on a little bit pale for me, but I'm gonna keep working on it and see if we can kind of build it up a bit. But I felt like it went on a little pale, but I'm still not scared. I have done brighter pinks and lights, so I'll keep playing with it. The next item I have, I've never heard of this brand. It's called Olivia Uma, and this is the Glass Skin Tanjahula Shine Muscat Cleanser. That is a whole mouthful. So this is supposed to give you glass skin like you see on the TikToks and all of that, and I do like the idea of glass skin. That means I don't have wrinkles and it looks flawless, so I want to try this out and see how it works. But this is a cleanser, guys. This is valued at $29, and it says if you're craving the look of glass skin, this fan favorite cleanser is your first step. So it helps to gently remove any kind of sebum and impurities on your skin. This is what it looks like outside of the box here. And it also effortlessly removes your makeup. So it's loaded with some antioxidants, and it is super smoothing and anti-inflammatory. So I guess that's great if you're having like a breakout with the anti-inflammatory to help calm your skin. So they said you only need a dime size amount of this product, and then you would just, you know, go ahead and wash your face like normal, but you don't even need a lot. So I can't wait to test this one out, because I wanted to try the glass skin thing, but I'm like, I don't know what to buy, and there's so many products. So this is great for me, to good way to try out the glass skin trend. So let's go to our last item in my box. So the very last thing I have a Koa Life product, and I don't think I've ever had anything from them before, not that I remember anyway. But this is the Copper Peptide Toner. So this is valued at $37, and it says this is a powerhouse toner, and it helps tighten the look of pores on your skin. It also hydrates and reduces inflammation. So I think that's great. You're dealing with acne like me, who has that whole T-zone that lights up sometimes. So this would be great to try out. It's ultra hydrating. It reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation. It has blemish control, and it clears the complexion. That all sounds absolutely lovely. I think these two probably will pair very well together. So for this one, you just press this onto your skin after you have cleansed your face. So I think these two will probably play very nice together. I think that was a nice pair to put them two in the box together. So overall, guys, that was my box. So we have, what do we have? 2 skincare products. We have 3 makeup products. I actually like this one. I like the idea. I like this color here. I do use brow products all the time, so I'm always looking to try something out new. This blush, we're going to have to play with it because of the color. but I think it's still to be fine. I think I'll be fine with using it anyway. But yeah, that was my whole box for our BoxyCharm by IPSY for the month of September. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what's inside of my subscription boxes as well as what I'm buying. If that's something you're into, go ahead and tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I next post. But guys, until my next video, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye!